everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Famous Friday and today's celebrity I chose is Seyfried. So I'm going to try it out today and see if I can do it. She parted her hair to the side, so I'm just going to do that too. And I will have to do a braid, like a small braid. I think she did it on both sides. I can't tell. It only shows one side, so I assume she did both sides because the other side looks like she did a braid as well. So I will start with this side first. I'm not sure what she did at the back. I'm just gonna do this and then just leave the back as is right now. I'll just leave it like this for now, and I'll just tie it up first and I'll work on the other side. I'm going to put this over. Not that bad. I'm not going to curl my hair just because something's wrong with my curling iron right now, so this is what I can do today. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.